Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today on Customer States What, the 2003 Toyota Land Cruiser brake lines are in. And something that I didn't notice before, you see that parts tag right there? You see that parts tag right there? Well, apparently the driver's side lines have been replaced already. And they're pretty much identical to the ones that failed on that side. But they're a little shorter because the master's right here and they just go right there. And our failure is these two guys right there, or really mainly that one there, but we're replacing both of them. Very good. You guys know what comes next? Well, let's take it up top. Alright, so we have some good news, guys. They broke free right here. And I don't care if this line breaks, and I don't care if, come on, get on there, if this line breaks, because we're replacing them. It did break free out of this block, so that's wonderful news. The one bad thing though is the little mount on here, which we'll see on the other side. It's probably going to break, but let's see if that's going to happen. So we're going to lower it, gain access to the other side of it, and see if we could remove everything. And what we're going to do is, well, at least we're going to try and do, we're going to remove one line at a time. You can mess it up, and if there's a will, there's a way. But as you can see, the front line has the coil much lower than the rear line, so you can always make a note of that. And the other side, at the master, you can't really mess up because of how the lines are bent. But there's always a will and a way. Alright guys, I'm holding audible. I'm taking it out all in one piece. Hopefully. There's one line, there's the other. Oh, we got one spot right there. Hold on. Sorry, no. Yeah, we can remove it. Oh, did you splash yourself? It freaking came right out of the hole, didn't it? Yeah. That's hilarious. No, Downs has been gone for a little bit, but he made his triumphant return with taking some grease to the face. It's not the only thing you take to the face, though, but that's okay. Come on. Come on. Ah, there we go. Yeah. And we are out. Now, installation is going to be a little bit different from dismantling. We installed this one here first, loosely. This fitting is loose, and the other fitting down here is loose as well. And as you can see, we did the back one with our coil up higher. So now what we're going to do is we're going to install the next line, and then we're going to transfer all the hold downs over. And I believe it's an easy way. There's nothing bad about it. I could have made the lines and installed them together, but I would have struggled in installation over in this area, as you saw me struggle a little bit in taking them out. So yeah, everything's going all right. Let's move along. All right, let's see if we can get this one in here like that, and bring this way. I'll just hold it there for a sec. Alright, let's see. Now, brake lines are forgivable a little bit, so if you gotta tweak it just a hair, go ahead, because you're gonna have to. Looks like this guy is gonna be on the bottom, that one's gonna be on the top. Alright, so that's about where it needs to be. This guy looks like we're gonna have to tweak a little bit. The shipping was not so friendly. Oh, I'm stuck. All right, there we go. I'm not stuck anymore. All right, so I'm going to refer back to the old line and see, and just to make sure which one of these lines was closest to the firewall and which one was furthest away. We know where it goes in here, we know where it goes in there. You can't mess them up. Well, you can, but it's very hard to. So yeah, let's refer to the old line and finish the installation. Alright guys, tip and trick of the video: whenever you're going into a valve block or into a master like this, you want to do it as easy as possible. So I do in fact have the line not mounted to anything. That way I could twist the fitting in with minimal resistance. You do not want to cross thread the valve block or the master. I repeat, you do not want to cross thread that, or you'll have a really bad day. So the customer declined the full safety inspection that this vehicle needs. They only wanted the brake lines fixed, so that's all we did. That's all we did. Freaking oil is pissing onto both manifolds. They have all sorts of suspension noises going. All I did was roll it into the shop, but the only reason why I say that there's suspension noises, the bushings here are getting swollen. The bushings and the sway bar end links are Gugats, especially that one. Freaking, this thing just freaking dripped on me. I don't even know what's dripping. I really hope that this brake repair, now that I made this side all strong, I hope it doesn't find the weakest link in the system, because it might just freaking do that. And the further I get back, I didn't even see this because they declined the multi-point. And look at that. That's their rear sway bar end link. But they don't want a safety inspection. This car is going to be on the road. I don't want to be in front of them. I don't want to be behind them. I don't know if they're going to stop in time, or if something's going to fall off the freaking vehicle and hit mine. At least their e-brake works. Very good. Alright, yes, yeah, so it is what it is. Hardware no longer identifies as hardware. I could tell you this much. Oh, look, they're going to be complaining about this O2 sensor. Check engine light is on. It's probably one of the reasons. Yeah, look at this bushing. That thing is all swollen the hell out. Yeah, it's a giggity, but it's not a good one. Wow, that oil is baked on, and it's the car's not even running and it's dripping. It's dripping oil. Whatever, it is what it is, guys. It really is what it is. So we bled the brakes and we replaced the lines, and I'm just going to make sure it stops. I'm not even going to drive this thing. I'm just going to park. Wow, look at this axle. Oh! Alright, let's take it back down and finish this video. Very good. We still have to attach the harness mount that goes here. We did bleed the system. Now we have to pretty much, or attempt to brake clean the Gugats that is this area, but not too much brake clean because there's a whole lot of Gugats behind there. Now, I know you guys were interested to see the interior of the vehicle, and shout out to Chia Pet. We got two of them right there. Almost 400K on this 03 Land Cruiser, and it really shows. Alright guys, you guys don't know what to do yet. Make sure your terminals don't look like this. But while you're at it, please like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for further content.